Hello and welcome to HRA Today. I am Jyoti Parmar. This is the HRA update for the week of August 28th. Leading the news this week, Greg Simon, the president of the Biden Cancer Initiative, was recently spotted at the MGH studios. He spoke about the initiative's work as well as the sails in the water in holding back the fight against cancer, including the lack of interoperability. He discussed the authority and credibility a figure like Joe Biden can bring to such a complex imperative. Go to hcanews.com to watch the full clip on Greg Simon as he discusses the Biden Cancer Initiative. Furthermore, HRA is coming soon with their syndicated study on Cancer Moonshot. Our syndicated study will identify key hurdles and opportunities for the pharmaceutical companies to excel in oncology product development because of the Cancer Moonshot initiative. In other oncology-related news, HRA conducted a pulse survey with oncologists to get an initial measure of satisfaction with current issues regarding childhood cancer. Findings show a majority of oncologists were only somewhat satisfied with current treatment protocols, research into late effect issues, and resources available for managing the cancer experience. In addition, almost one-fourth of the oncologists were not satisfied with the amount of research attention received on addressing psychosocial issues related to cancer care for children. Stay tuned to HRA for the upcoming in-depth research on pediatric oncology. On last week's webinar, we had the pleasure of having Dr. Heifetz, a key opinion leader in medical oncology, speak on primary care physicians' involvement in cancer care. Dr. Heifetz provided an interesting commentary on a recent study conducted by HRA. HRA asked 200 U.S.-based primary care physicians what their involvement in cancer care is. HRA's findings suggest that primary care physicians are becoming more involved. However, Dr. Heifetz's experience suggests that primary care physicians are not as involved with cancer care as they perceive themselves to be. Tune into the webinar by visiting hraresearch.com. The upcoming HRA webinar, titled Patient Centricity, Role of Wearable Technology in Patients with Chronic Conditions, highlights how big of a generational gap is there between baby boomers and millennials and those in between when it comes to awareness and usage of wearable technology for chronic disease management. Is there a trend in the usage among cancer patients? What kinds of patient concerns exist, and what are the implications for pharma and medical device manufacturers as a result? Interim findings suggest that healthcare professionals are at least somewhat receptive to the data being shared with them from wearable devices and apps. Find out if receptivity translates into changes in the treatment patterns. Be sure to register and attend the informational webinar on September 7th at 1 p.m. Now shifting focus onto our conferences. On September 16th through the 19th, HRA will be in Chicago for the American Academy of Pediatrics Conference 2017. For this once-a-year event, you can access 10,000 plus pediatric medical professionals and key influencers to measure their thoughts on your product or service during all stages of the product lifecycle. While you are there, meet our team and see how they can help you with your Rapid Results Conference research and market intelligence needs. If you have any interest in joining us, contact our Senior Account Director, Mike Schwabel, at mschwabel@hraresearch.com. The second conference HRA will be attending is the Vascular Access 2017 Annual Scientific Meeting. This conference will take place from September 16th through the 19th in Phoenix, Arizona. AVA will be celebrating its 31st year of excellence in vascular access. For this once-a-year event, you can access more than 1,500 vascular access professionals and key delegates to measure their thoughts on your product or service during all stages of the product lifecycle. If you have any interest in joining us, contact our Senior Account Director, Mike Schwabel, at mschwabel@hraresearch.com. This is Jyoti Parmar, and that's it for this week's brief. We will talk to you again next week on HRA Today. And check back with hraresearch.com or hcanews.com for the latest updates.